Hello YouTubers, this is for 2001 to 2005. I could be wrong on those years too, but mine came off of 2003 to 2005 Kia Rio, base or Cinco. In order to remove this lock cylinder, you see that little hole that's right there? Right there. You have to turn this to the accessory position and then push that little tab right there down, and this whole thing just pops out. There's two pieces. There's one on this end down here that's inside that hole, and there's also that lock cylinder. It almost looks similar to a Honda Civic lock cylinder, just slightly, but not as much. Thanks for watching, and please comment if you need to.